Here's something most BMW owners don't realize. That smooth, powerful B48 engine under the hood, it might actually be costing you more to maintain, not because it's unreliable, but because of how it's designed. And when you compare it to a Volkswagen E888 engine, the difference isn't just engineering philosophy, it's real money out of your pocket. So today we're breaking down exactly why BMW B48 makes maintenance more expensive than Volkswagen and why mechanics secretly love one and hate the other. Let's set the stage. On one side, you've got the BMW's B48. It's a 2-liter turbocharged inline 4 that powers everything from 3 Series to X3 and even Minis. It's modern, efficient, and part of BMW's modular engine family, where each cylinder is basically a 500cc unit shared across different engines. On the other side, the Volkswagen Group's E888, arguably one of the most widely used turbo engines in the world, found in Volkswagen, Audi, Skoda, and even some performance models like the Golf GTI. Both engines make similar power, both use turbocharging and direct injection. On paper, they're rivals, but when it comes to maintenance, they're very different stories. BMW designed the B48 with a high level of integration. That means many components are tightly packed together. Cooling systems, intake, exhaust routing, and even accessories are packed into a compact space. Volkswagen, on the other hand, took a more traditional and service-friendly approach with the E888. It's still modern but generally less tightly integrated and easier to access. And this difference matters more than you think, because when something breaks or just needs routine service, access is everything. So let's talk about real-world maintenance on the B48. Because everything is tightly packed, even simple jobs can become complicated. Take something like replacing a water pump, thermostat housing, or certain sensors. These parts are often buried under layers of components. In some cases, mechanics need to remove multiple parts just to access one. Now compare that to the E888. It's not perfect, but in many cases, components are easier to reach, meaning less labor time. And labor is where the real money goes. Even if the part costs the same, a job takes 2 hours on a Volkswagen, it might take 4 to 5 hours on a BMW. That's the hidden cost most people don't think about. BMW didn't just make the B48 compact, they made it smart. The engine uses multiple cooling circuits to manage temperature more precisely. That sounds great, and it is for performance and efficiency, but it also adds complexity. More hoses, more valves, more potential failure points. And when something in that system fails, diagnosing it can be more time consuming, and replacing parts often means dealing with tightly integrated components. Volkswagen E888 also has advanced cooling, but generally with fewer layers of integration, making repairs a bit more straightforward. Another key difference is materials and construction philosophy. The B48 uses an aluminum block with a closed-act design, which improves strength and performance, but aluminum engines can be more sensitive to overheating and require precise cooling system management. Meanwhile, many E888 versions stick with cast iron blocks, which are heavier but often more tolerant to heat and wear. This doesn't mean one is better, it just means BMW optimized for performance and efficiency, while Volkswagen leaned more toward durability and serviceability. And again, that shows up in maintenance costs. Now let's talk about what actual owners and forums say. Many B48 owners report that the engine is reliable overall, but emphasize the importance of staying on top of maintenance. Some mention issues like sensors or injectors that aren't necessarily common, but when they do happen, repairs can be pricey due to labor and part integration. Meanwhile, E888 engines had well-known issues in earlier generations, like oil consumption problems, but many of these were improved in later versions. And because E888 is used across millions of vehicles, parts availability is huge, which often lowers repair costs. That massive ecosystem makes a difference. Volkswagen Group produces the E888 at a massive scale across multiple brands, which we already mentioned. That means more aftermarket parts, more mechanics familiar with the engine, and lower prices. BMW's B48 is also widely used, but not on the same scale, and BMW parts tend to carry a premium. So even if two repairs are identical in complexity, the BMW one often costs more. So here's the bottom line, the BMW B48 isn't a bad engine, in fact it's smooth, efficient and technically impressive, but its tight packing, high integration and complex systems make it more expensive to work on. Volkswagen EA888, while still advanced, take a more service-friendly approach with better accessibility and massive parts ecosystem. So if you're choosing between the two, BMW gives you refinement and engineering precision, Volkswagen gives you practicality and lower long-term costs. And that's why when it comes to maintenance, the layout matters more than the badge.